friend, family. I don't give a fuck what it is. Don't fuck nobody for somebody that you used to fuck. It's nasty. It's trashy. It's ugly. Y'all look sluttish. No, motherfucker, y'all slut. What is funny is the fact that we women give man bumbleclad powers over we all the time and we never know it. How the fuck can you get up and date somebody else's husband and say him faithful? How the fuck him faithful if he married to somebody else? Another thing, how can you get up and take up somebody baby father, somebody worthless baby father at that, in a year life when now man him pitney and say you love him and him a good man? Una say una idiot, una still say una man clown, man buto. So I Shensi, I put up a video talking about if the man has suck her pum pum, what should I do with that? Ladies, remember, and all the way, sexy, cute, and rich. So we can talk anything and it happen. It's not true. So Sister Patsy, continue to take the people in man and please don't bring up to the people in man say you must suck your pork. Because since you don't have a man for yourself and it's the people in man you take and him can't hide and get a little dick now and then, don't go tell him say you want him suck the pum pum because you're going to lose the dick and you now get the pussy to suck. Remember me did tell you. Tight pum pum with a good attitude equals a happy life. You see, if you cocky good, you see, if you put it on the right way, you see, if you pop out my ear and put me on the wall and when it in my belly, me tell you, say, baby, it's sweet, me. Don't come go like me a mad man when I share it. Don't come like me is a mad person when they give me forget. Because when me hungry and me can't get to me want to eat, a problem. Trouble, dede. You understand? So it's when you see me start going like me is a mad person. Don't blame me. Blame your dick for being so fucking good. Can't bother with myself, but me have something to tell all of them haters you out here. When you see if you don't have a blood clot like me, wait till me skin out my pum pum. When you come suck it out. Any day, name day, you feel like you want a stalker in a year life? Take somebody, man. All you gotta do is take somebody's man. Listen, it's when the woman here, boy, me personally, me I try and find the Instagram and Facebook and WhatsApp and Twitter, shot everything. Me I come on all of your social media, them come here watch you. More know you like from where you dislike. More know where you wear from where you not wear. More see the color here where you have on. More see the dates where you go on. Girl, more friend all of your friend them. Because if you feel like you gonna take my man in a piece, you mad. Alright. Me a bad girl and me we sit on your John. Me we bust off your head and then cry with your mom. Because me a the lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Firewall back way when you was stuck off me this AK-47 a bust inna your head. And you the come woman, girl inna your bed. Yo, nothing no wrong if I a baby mother. Because threesome, a that the rather. Them to know the even no blood clot. Take your man, then me a play with the mat. Cool it down, get him back to him comfort. Send him home, make him beat out your blood clot. Not tell the truth where God love. Why me feel in a relationship with you? Every day me and are hungry. No sir. That are no style. Not at all. You mad. You need to stop. Men, you need to stop. Woman belly must always full. We not for hungry and we not for honey. You understand me? Okay. You know when I get on a big and serious level? Yeah, people sit down like them take me name. Them sit down for my name every single day like I'm this celebrity. Sometimes I look for myself, I'm not even cute to blood clot. When I like myself sometimes, I'm very, very, very disgusting. So why you sit down and talk about me so much? And what to make it even worse? You not talk nothing good. I be bad things when I talk. You're supposed to talk about the good things too. Talk about the good things too. I'm not all bad. Well, I'm bad most of the time, but why? But say that. You're still gonna talk about me. You're go and talk, yeah. Sleep, me I go sleep. Equal rights. Bond for bond.
cheat on me and me cheat on you. And me head this make me a scratch. Me don't understand. Listen. You see, if me and you there, and you feel like you want to give me bone, go on, baby. Go. But don't think that when I do the same thing, I'm returning the favor. Oh no, honey, I'm just getting some. I'm just releasing the pressure that you put me in. You stressed me out. You made me.
Them say, see me and live with me, are two total different things. To see me and to live with me is two different things. Be careful of the people that you associate yourself with. Also, do not judge a book by its cover, because somebody might come around you now and you and them not on the same freaking speed, but that person can be the best motherfucking person you're gonna come across in your life. Don't be too quick for judge people. People have them own fucking problems. People have them own things that them go through sometimes, and they just want fucking space to breathe. You know, to blood clot judgmental on our God. Ask why do women thief, especially when they're in a relationship with you. You put on your things while them take it up. Your blood clot mean. You mean? See a woman I got teeth from you. Because if your woman want things and she asks if you not give her, she for teeth it. Me, I tell her she for teeth it. Take your TV and go scrap it for parts. Take your clothes and go sell them at bend down. Take up your wallet and tell you so the wallet last when they come out of the car. Thief everything where you own, thief all your name, because some of them man too blood clot me and I don't want pussy free thief. Don't stop thief them things. Like, how am I put a girl over me? Like, how am I forget up like a day, right? And be like, oh my fucking God, that bitch is so pretty. She's pretty. No, bitch. I'm the prettiest motherfucker God created. Suck my dick. So, anybody know me? No say. I don't give a fuck what people think about me. Ah. Okay. Me realize that women have this tendency to get up every day and be like, oh, my pussy good, so my man now left. No, sis. Your pum pum good. But other woman pum pum good too. As a matter of fact, every woman pum pum good. Big up on yourself if you don't know the pum pum good. But if you know say there's a headache to your man, something wrong with you. Men are like babies. You need to treat a man, make a man feel comfortable. You can't get up every day and whine like you is Peppa fucking Pig. You need to step your fucking game up. You need to man the fuck up. And you need to make your man feel comfortable. Because if you and a man live together and a man don't want to come home, then bitch, something is freaking wrong, sis. Your pussy good, but your mouth not tight. Something wrong. Fuck you. Oh yes, fuck you too. Bitch, you don't like me, I don't motherfucking like you. Because guess what? I'm the most important bitch in my life. I'm the most important bitch in your life. Because if I make you mad, obviously, I'm the queen of something, B. So you stay over there and make you feel sad, because I'm gonna live the best freaking life. So don't like me. Don't stop hating. I'm good, sis. I fucking love me. I know that if I feel for when I take it, I want to have some hot girl where can't blood clot come on social media without wig, eyelash, eyebrow, and makeup. Alright, watch this. Yeah.
You're dead.
Me I dare you. Me I dare you know to try this. Would it come out and all these things? I want to give it to you. Make him the pussy now, him not stop brag about it. Let me tell you no man something. Woman not for blood clot. As a matter of fact, back up. Y'all ain't even shit. Because we independent, we fucking ambitious, and we have body can push on our own pussy for one fuck. So this is sometimes when you see woman a call on a blood clot phone and text uno supposed to fucking grateful because a care woman care about uno. And when woman do otherwise uno call them bitch, uno go suck uno mother. So to the good body man them. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Them get the girl at one time. The girl starts saying, are you me want to the end? Whoa, yeah. Baby. I want the good body man them there. When they 60, and girl have to come back. And girl have to tell them friend. And girl have to call down them phone and say, baby, it's sweet me. Baby, me still feel it inside me. Big up on his hair. Big up on his hair.
Me can't bother. So you're gonna come in my life and you're gonna be in my messages and you're gonna be telling me how good I am. I'm a good mother. I'm a good friend. I'm a good motivator and I push you to do better and stuff like that. And then you see one. Sit down for my name, sister, how you do it. Not even hypocrite like you. Not even fake no faker than you. Girl, you fi stop. You fi stop. That is the reason why I'm tell a man say my pum pum are my best friend. Me no want a girl company around me more and so. You see, if me not trust you, you can't know nothing about me. So no continue make up on a bag of stories and spread on the propaganda, because guess what? Every story wanna talk. As long as me never know it first, it can't hurt me. Remember that.
A difference with a little dick and a disabled blood clot cocky. Nothing wrong with little cocky if you know for work it, but you see if your cocky not able, me no want it. Can you disable broke down body go stick it elsewhere? Not right here, wrong smarty. Yo, me run serious joke, you know, but not all the time. Don't feel like you gonna come text me and spruce me up and tell me, say, oh baby, I'm gonna give you some D tomorrow. And make me put on you in my book and say, yes, you book your appointment. And when me ready to get my dick, you unavailable. I'll kill you, motherfucker. Don't play with me. Pain is love and love is pain, right? So, you lie down in your bed and you're like, oh baby, I pain you. I pain you so much. You're my everything. I pain you. And something licking your side and you're like, Jesus Christ, love at. Oh, at someone, Jesus Christ, love. I feel love me, I feel. Love hot, man. Yeah, man, I love hot. I feel love me, I feel, yeah, man, sure. In life, people have said things about you within a pussy clot. No, don't meds people careful. If you don't meds people, no matter how you believe things about yourself, but you don't know no go so. If somebody tell one wicked lie upon you to blood clot, some people lie so till they will tell lie upon you, you believe the lie. Be careful of what you give into. Somebody tell me yesterday, say me suck pussy, me take fucking a body, me suck wood, me do every goddamn thing that is bad, and from me born until me there. So right now, I never suck pussy before. I don't suck wood, so me don't know where them something they come from. Be careful of people. My biggest turn off in y'all side hoes is when y'all don't know when to talk or y'all don't know what to say. If you been sleeping with my man, that's not my business though. Like, who gives a fuck? You been fucking him, and the minute he start making you feel like your fucks don't matter no more, you want to hit me up. What you want to hit me up for? When you were riding his dick, I wasn't there. I didn't say nothing. So now that he don't want to fuck with you no more, don't think you gonna come mess my relationship up, because I'm fucking with you either. Goodbye. Yes, you're under your rum and everything, and you feel good. And then they select a jar for the song. And you hear the song come and you say, why? And the selector say, pat your pussy and call your man name. And you your friend upon the same name. And you look for your friend and you shame. Me can't bother. Blood clot goodie. No, but for true. Put your party and selector say, call your man name and your friend say same name. What you gonna do? Right? Me see my fuck man with my love. Man, when me give my heart, my soul, my every fucking thing, me love him going to bed and me never blood clot come yet. And me see me take out my blood clot vibrator and put it on my pussy. And in a less than 3 rascal, never 3, me too lie. In a less than a minute, my pop, blow, come my blood clot come. Then when me I do it, man, what the fuck me I sit down and make man stress me up and me can fucking make myself come. Suck on the mother. Show me one woman that can honestly say, put them head pan their black and say, they man never fuck pan them yet. Yeah, man never give you bun. I just feel pussy alone in one. While I'm life on another day, you too blood clot like a suck your mother pussy. I like ya tell. No blood clot man not do so. Man not well. Men are not dogs, they're just men. Right? Imagine I have one body shot, so see a man cock little. And you have to suck this a little body, yeah. Your bitch be like, you have to suck this a little body. Next thing you suck, you go to get you out, why?
That's a long wedding.
First thing in the morning, when I wake up, I thank God for life. I look to the sky and say, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. You can't stop me, bless, 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 bless. I me say, bitch, I'm the best, 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 best. You can't stop me, bless, 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 bless. Yeah.
No, if I understand the pum pum good, you see? And I gauge alone tell you now. And the funny thing is, Get nah fuck you know. Go and post a girl forget things, yeah. Why? Why?
In-laws be like, I don't like you. I be like, bitch, I don't like me too. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I sick my own fucking stomach. So if you don't like me, I really don't give a fuck. Because I ain't fucking with you. And I don't need your approval to be in a relationship with your brother, your uncle. I don't give a fuck what he is to you. As long as me like him and him like me, we're there forever. Why? You're stressed out? No, yeah, me too. Sometimes I don't like myself, my love. So if you don't like me, I don't know that's because I'm going to put it up. I'm going to shake it on him. And I'm going to not stop fuck him. I'm going to not stop do it. And y'all go mad. Bitch, I'm going to make you mad. Yeah. So if you're mother-in-law, sister-in-law, in-law, and you don't like me, man, fuck you. I don't like me too sometimes. The fuck? Okay. And I no stress. No man problem. No bad my friend. I'm not friend none of them. None of them think they can put on me none of them. A new year. Done with bad mind. Done with stress. Done with hypocrite. Done with all I know. Yeah, watch on the mouth. Lime and vinegar. Yeah.
Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah.
Get some till I'm gonna put it here.
Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah.
What are you?
She plays some good love. You plays like a good job.
Say me a craft this. Somebody not to tell me that. After me going to supermarket look while now. Every time people go to supermarket nowadays, you have to buy a bag after you buy goods. They depend that. So me cash my goods now and the cashier she did a Skylar. I just take up one big bag. Yes. Me take up one big bag, she come look at me with her funny face. When me show her what I have in the bag. And I play with them, watch I all tear up. Be careful. Big pussy girl forget things, yeah. Big pussy girl forget things. Big pussy girl broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out, broke out. Cause your pussy will fuck out, fuck out, fuck out, fuck out, fuck out, fuck out. When you hood in your mouth, your mouth, your mouth, your mouth, your mouth, your mouth. Yeah, so you do your thing, yes. A big pussy girl get things, yes. Alright, so when you sit down now and that who real friend, who fake, you want me to tell you? You see the friend in your life where you can look on and say, you're going to suck your mother, you're pussy, you do something, I'm never like that. And you can block them, and you see them call you and say, dog, what really I do? What me do you? You sure you want to do that? And you sit down and you look in yourself and say, brother, you know what say? If that person never really a person, I would have called me for figure out how me do them. And that's somebody there for keeping in your life. You see people them where you can tell the truth and when them wrong, you say pussy you're wrong. Them the people they not feel let go. Them the people they are ride or die. Them the people they are gonna stick by you not no matter what. Remember me tell you, you see when you have a friend where you do fuckery, them sit down and skin up in your face and can't say a fuckery you do, them a fuckery. Get rid of them. Y'all ever hear people saying that a word to the wise is sufficient? A word to the wise is sufficient. Let me tell y'all something. I don't really care what anybody has to say about me, but let me tell you this. If you and your person in an argument and you bring that to your parent or a family member, let me tell you this. When you forgive the person, they never will. Stop telling people on a problem. Keep
on a business, especially if it is a problem to honest health. Else, at the end of the day, people are gonna look around like idiot and another person fault because you chat too much. You did the talking. So if you want shame, shame. But stop tell people in the business that when you forgive your man, the other person that always remember say your man did do that. Okay. That type of girlfriend, me pick mouth. I'm gonna tell you why I pick mouth. Guess when I pick mouth, the sex nicer. You know what? You ever realize? Anytime you stress around your man, and you make your man feel like say yes, relationship don't know you get per my nerves, but I want you. Them time them fucking like him or kill you. Yeah. And that's something me like. I like it chant. Yeah. I'm ignorant for some people. I'm ignorant for everybody. You see in life? In life, this is how we as human beings operate. That's why in life we get fucked. F-U-C-K, fuck. That is why we get fucked in life. I'm showing you something. You see this? It comes in a two flavor. And even though we know say cool no, sure. Even though we know say it's hot, and it we still want. And no matter what bun we pan with tongue, and it we still want, you see? See we are in life are taking bad things. See we are. Listen, you see, if my man look you, it's not my business. You see, if my man mind you, it's not my business. You see, if my man tell you things about me, yes, it is my business, but it is still not my business. Okay? So if you're ducking, you're sucking, or you're trucking my man, it is not my business. Wanna leave me in peace, leave me at my be. I'm quite comfortable because he's telling me different things and from what he's telling you. And until I find out otherwise, wanna leave me. Make me take my man in peace. Make him stress me out in peace. Make him tell me lie in peace. You understand? I feel like talking the truth this morning. Somehow, when you young and you get pregnant, you dash away the belly. And when you get older, you can't breathe. You go on like somebody feel sorry for you, you wrong. Me nah dress up for no man. Me not just up for no man. Listen, I'm rather just up for myself and carry out myself and treat myself and feel good with myself. Any other man invite me out, me I put on me feel like. And if him don't like it, buy me something. Because I don't want to like invite people out. I want to invite people out. Or not even would I say, buy her a nice, clean, good outfit. How you take me for? I mean, him get up and dress up for you? Well, no. Wrong, smaddy. If you want me look good, buy me something good for put on. Argument done. Argue with me, dirty boy. Argue with me. But listen. Don't you dare ever think, say, me can't get nobody else. Don't feel like, are you alone want me? Yeah. See, anytime you see the guy had your nonsense, them. Remember, say, me not ugly. Me not ugly. Yeah, boy? Me nice. Me nice, no blood clot as a matter. Man, I time for waste, no boy. It's either me or you and your fucky self. You hear me say? Blood clot. Sure. Dad. Why every single day me get up, me have to cry. It coming like a tank that can never run dry. I told myself I love you, I'm looking at your eye. You beat up my pussy and me no know why. You not understand when a catty say them love you. A catty say she will do everything for you. I'm here to the end, and you are my friend. I me no want nobody, cause you are the... And you at the cock and me at the end. And in a my book you are go mark with your pen. And good pussy girl forget 10 out of 10. Me give you back way and you give me a 10. And hey baby boy, if you say D come suck it, me not ask you twice. I fuck me and fuck it. But you can understand, me's not a idiot girl. And me not go make no girl sit down and a laugh after me. You coming like you are idiot. You see, y'all females need self-evaluation. See, Pri? Because every day when I get up on the top, oh, I love my man, I'm going to kill myself for my man. Bitch. What about this right here? This is something that you should be killing yourselves for. But instead, you know, have sex, get pregnant and do abortion, or you know, add the picking and kill it, you know, wicked.
Good, say amen. If you know your cocky good, say amen. If you know your cocky good, and you go kill your girl with hood. If you know your cocky good, say amen. If you know your cocky good, say amen. Amen.